Welcome back everyone to our next particular section in which we are going to learn how to create a great image visual content. So guys, there are multiple types of visual content that I have mentioned here. Number one form is graphics, that you can say a single form of image content, that we can say graphic and visual. And the next particular form of visual content is carousel. And what is carousel exactly? Carousel is a combination of multiple graphics. And if I talk about specifically Instagram, carousel is the second best form of content on Instagram, and that is almost used to share a story to your audience. With the help of carousel you can do that, and on Instagram you can use maximum up to 10 slides. So basically it's a combination of multiple slides, like up to 10 slides you can use on Instagram for a carousel content, right? And the next one is infographic. So basically infographic is used to share the more information in just one slide, and there are no graphics, no illustrations, no particular image that you can share in the infographics. So basically infographic, you can understand from the term, that contains only information, that particular graphic which contains only information. So that's why we can say this infographics, right? So these are the multiple visual content that you can share on your social media platforms, right? And now what we are going to do, we are going to jump on the tools that helps you to create an amazing visual content, right? So first of all, I want to share the best tool, and that is free tool, canva.com. Yes, this is one of the amazing tool that any social media marketer, any content designer, graphic designer, and any small businesses, they use to create a content for their social media channels, right? And the next one is Adobe Photoshop. Photoshop, I guess that's a paid tool, I believe, and I use that, but not so much. Basically, I had a graphic designer to do that for me, and graphic designer, they mostly they use Photoshop, because that Canva has such limitations. Like everything is not customizable, editable, but Adobe Photoshop, that is a very professional, and you can say very robust tool, but that's little much difficult to learn. And Canva is more like hands free, and it's easy. But if I talk about Adobe Photoshop, that's much difficult to learn, but definitely if you start learning that, that takes a little time, but with the experience you can learn, like how it actually works, and how you can create the amazing design on Photoshop. And these are much professional than any other tools. And the next one is GIMP. I have shared the GIMP link in the description. You can check out there. And GIMP is basically alternative for the Photoshop. Like Photoshop is a paid tool, but GIMP is a free tool, and it's almost like Photoshop. And you can also try this particular tool. I don't personally use, because I personally use Canva, and I had an intern who designs for me with the help of Photoshop, so I don't use GIMP. But you can also try that if you want to learn graphic designing, or if you are doing your social media marketing for yourself, then you can try this particular tool. And Adobe Illustrator, that is also very important tool. And if you learn this particular tool, that also will help you in creating a video, great video content, like it's sales video, or that's another form of video content. But again, that's a very robust tool like Photoshop, because that's an Adobe tool. And the next one is Crello. Crello is a paid tool, let me honestly, but it like it has a million. They provide a millions of templates inside the Crello, and I have already shared with you like AppSumo deals, AppSumo sign up. You can sign up there, and you can buy any particular tool which they are providing lifetime license. So again, if you want to buy this particular tool, trust me, this is one of the amazing tool that I have been already using. And Crello, you can check out its lifetime deal on appsumo.com. And the next one, we go to Lightroom. It's a basically mobile application. If you prefer to edit your visual content on mobile, it's an like photo editing tool, and it's a free up to certain features, so you can also try that. And Fonto, that I also used in the past for my Instagram content. That's a basically editable, like you can add so many text, and they are providing like multiple variants of text in this particular tool, and that's also free tool. So you can also try any of these tools to create a great amazing visual content. And now if you have a very low budget, like if you cannot afford in the starting like Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator or any other paid to resources that I mentioned here like Trello, so you can also check out these particular other resources like Canva. I have already mentioned that it's a free tool. Just go sign up there, and they also provide a free 30 days pro version, and that has already some extra features, that has already some extra templates that they are not providing in free access. And there are other multiple free resources, all that's pixabay.com, pexels.com, unsplash.com. So these are the like free tools and paid tools that I have mentioned to create an amazing social media content. So guys, go check out these resources and let me know if you need any tutorial for any of the tools that I have mentioned here. And if you are already doing social media marketing, if you are already like you are a graphic designer and you use any other content creation tools, so you can also share with me and other audience. They will also be grateful, like even because I have mentioned here the tools that I personally use and that I have used in the past. So if you are creating any other content with any other resources, so you can share with our audience, and that would be very helpful. And this is for all this particular section, and let's meet in the other section.